Good morning students, welcome to our maths class. In the last classes we have seen square, square root, cube, cube root, then laws of exponents and scientific notation. We shall recall some problems. Find the sum without adding. How to say? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 numbers are here. 12 odd consecutive numbers. What is meant by odd consecutive numbers? அடுத்தடுத்த odd numbers. Okay. 12 numbers are here. So, if we add all these, it will come as 12 square is equal to 144. Without adding, you have to see. If you want to add means you add and see. The 144 will come. Okay. Then the next. The units place of 27 square is equal to dash. 27 square means 27 into 27. Okay. You say 7 sevens are 49. For 9 we are remaining 4. So 9 is the units place. 9 is the units place of 27 square. Then the units place of 3 cube. 3 into 3 into 3. So 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. Okay. So the last units place is 7. Here the units place is 7. Then the cube root of 15 into 75 into 3. Cube root of 15 outright, 3 5s are 15 into 75 outright, 5 5s are 25, 3s are, isn't it? 25 3s are 75. So you are multiplying 5 into 5 into 3. Then again already one 3 is there. Now see, we take 3 3s are here, isn't it? So 3 cube and 5 3 5s are here. So 5 cube. You can take 3 and 5 outside. And that is 15. Okay, cube and root can cancel. The answer is 15. What is the multiplicative inverse of minus 1 by 4? If it goes that side means, what is the multiplicative inverse of this? The sign won't change. So minus 4 by 1. So 4 is the minus 4 is the answer. The additive inverse of minus 2 is, additive inverse of minus 2 is plus 2. In this side plus means if it goes that side means it will come minus. If this side minus means if it goes that side means it will come plus. Okay. Now simplify 1 by 4 the whole part minus 2. First you make the denominator, make the powers positive. So 1 by 4 power minus 2. 1 power minus 2 same. 1 by 2 power minus 2 plus 1 by 3 power minus 2. You bring all this to the numerator, then the power will become positive. 4 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. Now you add all this. 4 square is 16 plus 4 plus 9. So 16 plus 4, 20. 20 plus 9, 29. So 29 is the answer. Okay, the next one. If all the bases are same, we can use the formula a power m into a power n equal to a power m plus n. But here the bases are different, so we cannot use that formula. In the scientific notation of 0.525. 0.525. 4. Then how to write this in a scientific notation? In scientific notation, you have to write after 1 digit point. Okay, isn't it? Decimal after 1 digit. So you bring this digits this side. What after 1 digit means? Then it will be comes this side means 5.24. It comes from left side. So the power is 10 power minus 1. Okay. The next second one. 14435. Here also after here one point have we will guess 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1.4435 into 10 power 4. Yes. Okay. After 4 digits. It is positive because it is going from right. Here it is coming from left. So negative. We shall see challenging problems. 14th sum. If p plus 2q is equal to 18 and pq is equal to 40, find 2 by p plus 1 by q. So p plus 2q, what they are given? P plus 2q is equal to 18, pq is equal to 40. What you have to find? 2 by p plus 1 by q. So here plus. So you have to see the LCM of PQ is PQ. So you have to multiply both by Q, both by P. Then both the denominators are BQ, PQ and PQ. Both the denominators are PQ and PQ. So take one time. What is the numerator here? 2Q plus P is equal to P plus 2Q divided by PQ. You can write like this. Then we know that from 1, take this as first equation, then take this as second equation. Then from 1, you can write P plus Q as 18. From 2, PQ as 40. Okay. Then both can divide by 2. So divide by 2. Then it will come as 9 2s are 18. 22s are 40. So 2 by P plus 1 by Q is equal to 9 by 20. This is the answer. Okay. Then 15th sum. Find x if 5x by 5 into 3 by 4 is equal to 21. Okay. Then you can change the mixed fraction to improper fraction. Okay. Then I am changing the mixed fraction. 5 5s are 25. 25 plus x by 5. 4 3s are 12. 12 plus 3, 15 by 4 is equal to 21. So, you have to multiply both, isn't it? 5 4s are 20. Here, 25 plus x into 15 is equal to 21. You can cancel here itself means you can cancel. Otherwise, you bring this numerator and denominator to this side means it will come to the multiplicative inverse, that is reciprocal. It is 20 by 15. Okay. Now you can cancel 3 times, this 4 times, 5 table. Again 3 times. Here 3 1s are 3, 7 3s are 21. Now remaining is 28. You bring this 25 this side means minus 25. X is equal to 3. Now we have find the value of x, that is equal to 3. Then 16th sum. By how much does 1 by 10 by 11 exceed 1 by 10 by 11? Okay. Then you can subtract and say how much it's more. Okay. So 1 by 10 by 11, 1 by 10 by 11. So you bring this to the reciprocal and bring it to numerator into 11 by 10 minus here by 1 you have. You bring this means it will come as 1 by 11. Then 11 by 10 into, why you are multiplying? Here you have multiplied 11 by 10. Here you have multiplied 1 by 110. Okay. So here minus, no, you have to see LCM. So here 110 came, so you have to multiply both by 11. And here also 110 came. So 110. 121 by 110 minus 1 by 110. Then take 1 times 110. Then 121 minus 1 by 110. That is 120 by 110. You can cancel 0, 0. Then it is exceed by 12 by 11. Okay. 12 by 11 is more than first one. Okay. Then 17th sum. A group of 1536 cadets wanted to have a parade forming a square design. It is possible. Is it possible? If it is not possible, how many more cadets would be required? அதாவது cadets means military soldiers, like that. They are 1536 members. They have to form a square design. You have to check whether it is possible. It is not possible means you have to say how much more cadets need to form the square design. Okay. Now, for that you have to see this square root. Number of cadets to form square design. You see by long division method. Yes. First you divide in 2 twos. I have taken 2 twos. Then 3 threes are 9. 15 minus 3, 6. Again bring down 36. Now you multiply this 3 means 6. Here 9 nines are 621. 9 nines are 621. So remaining 15. So you subtract from 15 is 1536 minus 15 is equal to 1521. So 1521 members can form a square design. But remaining some more 15 members, no. So how much more need cadets to form a square design? For that you have to see 39 13s are 1521. Then you see 40 40s are 1600. Isn't it? But here we have 1536. For this 1600, how much more cadets need? So 1600 minus 1536 is equal to 64. If we add 64 this to 1536, 0, remainder 1, again 0, remainder 1, 6, 1. Okay. Now they can form a square design. So we have to add 64 to 1536 to make perfect square. So 64 cadets would be required to form a square design. Okay. Then 18th sum. Evaluate this and use it to compute this. These two, you have to add these two. Okay. All the numbers are same, but here they are given after 2 digits they are given 1 decimal point. Here they are given after 4 digits they have given a decimal point. Okay. Now you have to find the square root and remove the square root. For that you have to divide by long division method, because this is a bigger number. This is a big number. So we cannot see by prime factorization. So we are doing by long division method. Okay. First you take separate it by 2 numbers. 2. First number is 2. So 28. 2 digit. First number is 2 digit. So 28. That is 5 5s are 25. Remainder 3. You multiply this 5 into 2. Then 10. Then again 3 3. So 3 3s are 9. 3 zeros are 0. 3 1s are 3. 3 not 9. Then next you have to subtract, that is 53. Then you bring down 25. Now you multiply this 2 by 2 table. 53 2s are 106. Then you multiply 5 5. because it is ending with 5, no, multiply and see, then same number will come. Okay, then the square root of 2,86,225 is equal to 535. Okay, now you give the decimal. 2 decimal means you have to multiply both numerator and denominator by, here 1 we have, both numerator and denominator by 100. So it will come like this. 100 means 10 square. You can take 10 outside. Here this 535. So 53.5. Then here 4 digit after they are giving decimal. So 10,000. You have to multiply both numerator and denominator. Here denominator 1. So both numerator and denominator by 10,000. Then numerator becomes whole number. Then 10,000 means that is 100 square. So you can take 100 outside. Then for this the answer is 535. So 535 by 100 is equal to 5.35. Now we have to add these two, no? So 53.5 plus 5.35. You have to add. And it will come as 58.85. So the answer is 58.85. And order the following from the least to the greatest. 16 power 25, 8 power 100, 3 power 500 and 4 power 400 and also 2 power 600. One by one simplify first. 16 you can write as 2 power 4, isn't it? The whole power 25. That is 4 25s are 100. Then 2 cube, the whole power 100. That is 2 power 300. Okay. Then 3 power 500 means we cannot change this. So 3 power 500. Here 4 power 400 means you can write 4 as 2 square. So 2 square the whole power 400. We can write this as 2 power 800. Then 2 power 600. This also we cannot change. So 2 power 600. Then comparing the powers. Comparing means you have to say which is greater, which is less. You have to say that is comparing. Okay. And 2 power 100. Then 2 power 300. 2 power 600 and 2 power 800. Okay. Then in between 600 and 800 it will come as 3 power 500. Okay. So now this is less than this. This is less than this. This is less than this. So this is the greater one, next greater, next greater, next greater. In between these two, 3 power 500 will come. Okay. So the answer is 16 power 25, 8 power 100, 2 power 600, 3 power 500 and 4 power 400. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.